Hi, I'm Dr. Carson Smith, and I'd like to welcome you to Chinook Chiropractic and Integrative Wellness. Also would like to introduce our newest technology, which we're really excited about, spinal decompression. This is a great technology for sciatic patients, disc herniations, disc bulges, any kind of low back pain, including spinal degeneration, disc degeneration, and joint degeneration, which causes a lot of leg pain.
I was in really rough shape. My range of motion was limited. I just had a sports injury. I was working out and I was doing squats, and I thought I had pinched a nerve.
Well, my back was bothering me extensively. It was really debilitating. I couldn't really do much of anything. Even bending over to wash my face was a problem.
I guess I'm going to start in 2007 when I had my car accident, and I ended up with an awful lot of pain. There's pain all over my body.
I had a lower back injury from ball hockey, and I fell in my driveway shoveling. So I just had a mixture of, a really tight back muscles and just a lot of lower back pain.
I had to give up my golf playing and even chores around the house. I had to give that up because it was just too painful to do that.
When I went to the chiropractor, and he told me that it was probably a compressed disc and I had sciatica.
It was hard. I work at a computer, so it was hard to sit on a chair. Going to the gym was difficult. I had to stop playing hockey.
I was pretty much laid up for about a week to a week and a half before I even heard about the spinal decompression.
What we do first is we put them on spinal decompression, and we open up the disc, so we let it settle, also taking pressure off the nerve. And then from there we use cryotherapy, that's basically ice therapy, as well as cold laser. And after that, another team of professionals work with the patient to adjust the vertebrae and make the movement proper, as well as use a medical form of acupuncture, keep all the nerves functioning proper and get all the inflammation out of the joint.
I really didn't notice much after the first treatment. I had made up my mind that I would give it 3 to 5 treatments, give it an opportunity to show some benefit, and if that took place, then I would continue with the treatments.
After those first five sessions, noticing an improvement, I would say that with every second session that came along, I noticed another degree of relief.
My expectations were to get better in 2 weeks, which was not very realistic. I understood that patience had to play a factor here. I was aware of my condition, and I was aware of how long it would take to heal. I think once I finally realized I had to slow down a little bit and follow the professional advice of the practitioners in the clinic and people around me, that things would improve over time.
So after my first treatment, I felt my back going from being very rigid and me not being able to move properly to being very loose. I also felt taller after the treatment, which is kind of interesting, but it felt really good.
Yes, I could fall asleep almost immediately when it starts taking place. You're not aware that anything is happening. It's that gentle. The only time you notice it when your treatment is finished, you feel the relaxation coming into your body.
The excruciating pain was completely gone. That was a miracle in itself.
Well, basically I can play with my kids now. To me, having 2 young children, it's the most important thing, that I can be out there and throw the football with them and do things with them and just enjoy life with them. Being able to go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week and actually feel that I'm improving my health than hurting it is a big thing to me as well.
This is one way for me to solve my back problems permanently. I'm not looking for a temporary solution. That's what the treatment will help me do, get back to life.
I'm really excited about the addition of spinal decompression to Chinook Chiropractic and Integrative Wellness, because for years we've been treating disc problems and lower back problems, with fairly good results. But there's some patients that come in that are that have very serious conditions with their low back. They've been to other specialists, they've tried everything, and right now we've developed a system that seems to be working for for a large majority of those really serious condition patients. This new technology, spinal decompression, what we found is that we can treat certain sections of the spinal column and the vertebrae, as there are 5 lumbar vertebrae in the spine. We can basically treat each vertebrae L1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on your clinical symptomatology. At Chinook Chiropractic and Integrative Wellness, what we've done is we realize that much of the back pain we see people are in chronic back pain where they can't get any solutions to. They're not just specific to one thing. Basically, we found that the cause of most people's back pain is multidimensional, meaning it comes from the disc, the nerve, the muscle, and the joint. So what we've done at our clinic is we've put together a variety of professionals to really put an end to your back pain. Every day we see hundreds of people getting their lives back and basically ridding themselves of chronic low back pain that has gotten in their way of doing the things they want to do, their hobbies, their grandchildren, golfing. We're wiping those things out every single day with the newest technology at Chinook Chiropractic and Integrative Wellness. I invite you now to come down to our clinic for a free assessment, and we'll see if you are a candidate for this technology. Let us help you bring your back to life.